Hey there, math learners! Welcome to Math Classroom, where we make math simple and fun. I'm Engineer AI, your math mentor, and today we're diving into algebra. If you're new to algebra or struggling with equations and variables, don't worry, I got you. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand how to work with algebraic expressions and equations like a pro. Before we begin, hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated with our math tutorials. Ready? Let's go! So what is algebra? Simply put, algebra is the branch of mathematics that uses symbols, letters, and numbers to represent relationships and solve problems. Think of it as a way to solve mysteries in math. Instead of just numbers, we use variables, which are letters that stand for unknown values. For example, in this equation x plus 5 equals 10, the letter x represents an unknown number that we need to find. Did you know algebra comes from the Arabic word algebra, meaning restoration? Now, let's talk about variables. A variable is a letter like x, y, or z that represents an unknown number. Example 1, x plus 3 gives this is an algebraic expression because it contains a number and a variable. Example 2, to y minus 5 gives this means to times y minus 5. Key tip, variables can represent any number, and our goal in algebra is to figure out what those numbers are. Now, let's move on to equations. An equation is simply a mathematical statement that shows two expressions are equal using an equal sign. Example, x plus 5 equals 10 gives this means a number plus 5 equals 10. Our job is to find the value of x. Step 1, subtract 5 from both sides gives x equals 10 minus 5. Step 2, simplify gives x equals 5. Boom! We just solved our first algebra equation. Solving equations is like solving a puzzle. But why do we even need algebra? Well, it's used everywhere. Engineering and construction, engineers and architects use algebra to design buildings. Finance, businesses use algebra for profit calculations. Everyday life, we use algebra when shopping or budgeting money. Fun fact, even calculating discounts at the mall is an algebraic equation. Let's test what we've learned. Try solving this equation. Question, y minus 7 equals 12. Comment below with your answer. Hint, add 7 to both sides to find y. Great job, math whizzes! Today, we learned about variables, expressions, and equations. Algebra is all about finding the unknown and solving puzzles. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Math Classroom. Comment below what algebra topic should we cover next. Stay tuned for our next video where we dive deeper into solving equations. See you soon, and remember, math is easy when you practice.